In this video, we will show you how to replace your air filter on this Chevy Silverado with a 4.3-liter engine. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the air filter, we'll have to remove the upper housing from the lower housing. This is held in place with 4 T25 screws, one along each corner. With the mounting hardware out of the way, we'll continue on by taking hold of the upper cover, gently pulling it away from the air filter. Take hold of that air filter, lift it up and out of here, and give it a quick inspection. You can go ahead and set that aside. A quick look inside that lower housing to ensure there's no miscellaneous debris, and we can continue on with the installation of our brand new air filter. Should slide right in there. Make sure it's completely seated and continue on with your upper cover. It's time for the mounting hardware here. It's a good idea to make sure that you start all of your pieces of mounting hardware in first by hand, and then you can snug them up. Okay, we've got them all started in. Let's snug them up. Confirm your air filter housing secure. Take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.